Hey everyone, welcome to Oslo. We're huddled together in a small meeting room using the brand new RoomKit Mini. It's designed for rooms up to 5 people, so you can think of it as a room kit, but smaller.
It's a single screen system where people can sit close to the screen. The RoomKit Mini has an extreme wide-angle camera. It's as much as 120 degrees field of view, and I can sit so close that if I reach out, I touch the camera.
So with the extreme camera view, we need to use the powerful RoomKit Mini hardware to straighten out the fisheye effect. And this is something our competitors are not capable of, so let's take a look at that. So this is the raw camera feed and what our competition would use. You can see the bent lines and the curved edges of the image. It's funny, but really not that great in a meeting. So let's go back to the corrected Cisco view.
Yeah, that's a lot better. The RoomKit Mini has the same automatic camera as we have in the rest of our portfolio that allow the users to focus on the meeting and not the technology. So let me just turn on the automatic camera, and you'll see that the system will zoom further into us, making sure that you on the far end will have a better experience.
And you might also have recognized already that we have name tags now. So across the entire portfolio, we'll be able to implement those artificial intelligence features. We can also quickly jump into the diagnostic mode. This is kind of the behind the scenes setup where you can see the green squares that indicates our faces that's being recognized. We have the gray square, that is the cropped image that Anders just mentioned in the best overview. And also in the upper corner, we have a people count indicating number of people in the room at any given time.
So to ensure an easy and flexible installation, the RoomKit Mini can be mounted either above or below the screen. It's a complete system with built-in speakers and microphone. It's of course designed for both on-premise and cloud installation. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.